Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we are going to learn GK and our topic is 7 continents. So, uh, the Earth's surface consists of 7 very large areas of lands entirely of almost surrounded by oceans, and they are called continents, and they are they are Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So, Europe and Asia are often called Eurasia. So, today we are going to learn about a 7 continent, and continents are massive land masses found on earth, and we have 7 such continent from largest to small. So here we can see a photograph of various 7 continents: North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia. So, children, now we are going to learn in detail that which types of continent we have. This land has been divided into 7 main areas. Each area is called continent. So here we can see 7 main areas like Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. So it is areas divided in 7 parts, and we call it continent. So these all is land, and it is divided in 7 areas. So, the 7 continents are Asia, Australia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America, and Europe. It is a 7 that each continent has a special shape. Some of these continents are connected while the water separates other. So here we can see a different continent, and continents are special shape, and some continents are attached or separated with water and connected with water. So, 7 continent is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Here we can see 7 continent. So here we can see a photograph of 7 continent. So land and water. So here we can see our earth. So our earth is divided with land and water. So the earth is mostly water, and 3/4 of the earth is covered in water. So here we can see a blue color. So this blue color is water, and so many parts our earth is covered with so many parts of water. The big bodies of water on earth has called ocean. So many parts or areas is covered by water, and it called ocean. So here we can see a photograph of ocean. So the oceans is the big pieces of land earth are called a continent. So, big bodies of water on earth is called oceans. So here we can see oceans, and big pieces of land. So big pieces of land called a continent, and big bodies of water called a continent. So here we can see a in a big pieces of land is called continent, and these blue parts, these big bodies are water called ocean. So our earth is divided with two parts, land and water. So now we are going to learn our next slide, and first continent is Asia. So Asia is made up of a numerous countries, the largest of which include Russia, China, and India. So in Asia is largest continent, and so many countries in Asia, and Russia, China, and India is the one of the largest countries. The Pacific Oceans lies to the east, while the Indian Ocean fall on the southwest. So the Pacific Ocean is the lies to the east, and Indian Ocean falls on the southwest. So Asia, here we can see a photograph of Asia continent. So in Asia we can find so many various or largest so many various countries, and most largest country like Russia, China, and India. So Asia is a big continent, and also so many countries in, and Russia, China, and India is largest. So now we are going to learn next slide. So here we can see a photograph of Asia. So in Asia, so many various types of people live. So Asia is the biggest continent, and it has the most people. It is a very crowded in some parts of Asia. So China is one very big country in Asia. So in China, so many crowd, and China is a very big country. So giants pandas live in China and eat bamboo. So a cool place to visit in Asia is the Great Wall of China. So here we can see a Great Wall of China. It is a famous, and it is the largest structure ever built by man. So in a Wall of China is famous, and it is a very largest structure built by a man. So Asia is a very famous and also a very big continent. Okay, children, now we are going to learn a next slide, and next continent it is Africa. Africa is the second largest of the continent, covered around 22% of the world's land area. So Africa is also second largest of continent, covered around 22% of the world's land area, and the equator interests it, and the expansive landmass covers the Sahara, which is the world's largest desert. So Sahara desert is world's largest desert, and the Nile, the longest river on earth, as well as 53 nations. So Africa is, here we can see a photograph of Africa. So Africa is a second largest continent, and covered 22% of world's land area. And in Africa, Sahara Desert is a world's largest desert, and also a Nile River is world's longest river in Earth. So Africa is second most largest continent. So in Africa, here we can see a various types of things. Africa is a very hot continent because the equator runs through the middle of it. Because of Africa is very hot, and because equator runs through the middle of it, and the lions live in Africa. Here we can see a photograph of lions. So lions is live in Africa, and here we can see a equator runs through the middle of the Africa, and that's why Africa is very hot continent. And most people Africa have a dark skin and hair. So here we can see people, they have a dark skin and hair because of a very hot atmosphere. So, children, you understand about Africa continent. Africa is a second most largest continent of the world. So, now we are going to learn next Australia. So here we can see a photograph of Australia. So Australia as a continent includes the mainland of Australia along with the Tasmania and many of the islands throughout the Pacific Ocean. So Indian Ocean bordered the west and south while the Pacific is on the east. So here we can see a continent Australia. So Australia is included the mainland of Australia along with the Tasmania and many of the islands throughout the Pacific Ocean. The Indian Ocean bordered west and south while the Pacific is on the east. So in Australia we have a various we can see here a various things like Australia is an Iceland continent. So Australia is Iceland continent, and native people is Australia are called Aborigine. Aborigine. So other people in Australia are related to criminals and from the Europe long ago. Kangaroo, koalas and the platypuses live in Australia. So here we can see a kangaroo, then we can see koalas and platypuses live in Australia, and the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So the water in Australia is the opposite of our water. So our here we can see Australia water is blue. So it is the opposite of our water. So children, everyone understand about Australia continent. So now we are going to learn a next continent, and it is a South America. So here we can see a photograph of South America. So South America is made up of 12 countries. South America is made up of 12 countries, and the Pacific Ocean borders South America to the west and the Atlantic to the east. So here we can see Pacific Ocean border is in a west, and South American west. So South America is made up of 12 countries. So, South America is the warm continent and people there speak mostly Spanish. They speak Spanish language. South American people speak a Spanish language and the biggest country is Brazil. So, where the people love to play scorer. So here we can say the Brazil people love to play scorer and the biggest country is Brazil and the Amazon rainforest is the South America. So here we can see Amazon rainforest is in South America. So here we can see South America continent. So South America is the warm continent and mostly here we can see Amazon rainforest. So childrens, everyone understand about South America. So now we are going to learn North America. So here we can see a photograph of North America. So North America is made up of 4 countries. Canada is the furthest north. The United States in the middle and Mexico is the furthest south. So United Mexico is the furthest south and the United States in the middle and the Canada is the furthest north. So, Mexico is the furthest south. So, Greenland is the island of North America and lying the northeast of Canada. There are 3 oceans that touch North America. There are 3 oceans touch North America, the Pacific to the west, the Atlantic to the east. So, the Pacific to the west and Atlantic to the east. So, in North America is made up of 4 countries: Canada, United States, and Mexico. And the Greenland is also a Iceland. So, North America is a northeast of Canada. So, North America this is a continent we live on. So North America is cold in the north and warm in the south. So North America is cold and the north and warm in the south. So buffalo live in the North America. Here we can see a photograph of buffalo. So buffalo live in North America and people in the North America came here from the many other countries and the USA, Mexico and the Canada are the 3 biggest countries in the North America. North America, USA, Mexico and Canada, 3 are the biggest country of North America. So children, you all are understand about North America. So now we are going to learn Europe. So there are 47 countries in the Europe. So Europe in 47 countries and people in Europe speak over 15 languages and various types of languages they have speak and the weather in Europe is similar to the North America, cold in the north and warm in the south. So in a North America, in a Europe is weather is similar to the North America, cold in north and warm in south. So children, you all are understand about Europe. So now we are going to learn Antarctica. So here we can see a photograph of Antarctica. So Antarctica is made of 5 regions and the island of chain. The ocean surrounding Antarctica has recently been renamed as the Antarctic Ocean. So Antarctica continent is made up of 5 regions and Iceland. So Antarctica is the coldest continent. No people live in Antarctica, but some scientists visit to study the weather or animals there. So here we can see a Antarctica continent. So Antarctica continent is very cold. No one is live there, and also some scientists go to visit and study weather or animals. Many kind of penguins live in Antarctica. So penguin is live in Antarctica. So Antarctica is a some regions and Iceland. So that's why no one can live there. But sometimes scientists go for research and penguins live there. Okay, then now next oceans. So oceans, here we can see some of parts is covered with oceans. So major oceans is Antarctica Ocean, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans and Pacific Oceans, and minor oceans is Southern Ocean. So some our earth is covered with land and water, and some of the part of our bodies of water is called ocean. So the Pacific Ocean stretch 64186,000 square miles and has an average depth of 15,215 feet, and the Atlantic Ocean stretches 33,420,000 square miles and has an average depth of 12,881 feet, and the Indian Ocean stretch is 28,350,000 square miles and has an average depth of 13,002 feet. So the oceans is the Arctic Ocean's stretch is 5106,000 square miles and has an average depth of 3953 feet. So the Antarctic Ocean stretch is 7,848,300 square miles and has an average depth of 13,100 or 16,400 feet. So oceans are so largest and also so they cover so many parts of our earth. So children, now we are going to learn doing some exercise. So you all are right with me. The earth's surface consists of 7 very large areas of land entirely of almost entirely surrounded by oceans, and they are called continents. So they are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, North America, Europe, and South America. So Europe and Asia together are often called Eurasia. So, you all are know that we have 7 continents and these are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, North America, Europe, and South America. Okay, now answer the following question. Number first, which is the biggest continent? So we all know which is the biggest continent. Yes, Asia. So, Asia is the biggest continent. Okay, very good, children. Okay, now number 2. Which is the smallest continent? Which is the smallest? Yes, it is Australia. Okay, very good, children. So, Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the biggest continent. Okay, now number 3. Which is the only continent covered with ice? So, which is the continent covered with ice? It is Antarctica. Okay, very good, children. So, Antarctica continent is covered with ice, and that's why no people live, no one can live there. Only some penguins can live. Okay, now number 4. Name the continent which also makes up the country. Okay, now we can say that continent and which also makes up the country. So which is this? It is Australia. So Australia is also a continent and also a country. Okay, very good, children. So now next and last, number 5. So in which continent is the India situated? So in which continent our India situated? Yes, it is Asia. So we all are live in Asia and our India is in Asia. So children, here we can see a photograph of some continents and there is Asia. So in Asia, here we can live. Here we can live in India. Okay, so Asia and then Europe, Africa, here we can see Australia and then South America and North America and here we can see Antarctica. So here we can see Europe. So there are 7 such continents, largest to small. Okay, so largest is Asia and small is Australia. So children, you all are learn about this continent. Okay, very good. So you all are enjoying. Okay, very good. So, hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. Also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Eat healthy food. Stay healthy and stay safe. Okay, stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you, students.